Paano nyo po malalaman kung legit ang life insurance company nyo? Hello, another understanding of the insurance code, part 2, which is the parties to the contract. Sino-sino nga po ba ang parties involved kapag pumasok po kayo sa isang life insurance contract? Una, ang insurer or ang mga provider ng life insurance contract. Sila yung mga companies na license under ng Insurance Commission. Insurance Commission naman po ang government body na nag-regulate sa lahat po ng life insurance companies. Kaya paano nyo po malalaman kung legit ang life insurance company nyo? Check nyo lang po sa Insurance Commission. Sunod naman po, ang insured o sino po ang kumukuha ng life insurance. Basta tandaan lang po natin na mga pwedeng kumuha po ng life insurance is yung may mga insurable interest. Let's also talk about another parties that can be involved in a life insurance contract. This happens during an assignment, either collateral assignment or absolute assignment. Collateral meaning ginamit po as MRI ang life insurance sa isang loan transaction. Madalas po ito mangyari kapag nag-loan po tayo sa bangko. Absolute assignment naman po, nangyayari naman siya kapag tinransfer natin yung ownership ng life insurance contract natin sa ibang tao. Of course, this is subject for approval ng life insurance company. That's all for now. See you sa part 3 of Understanding the Insurance Code. Peace.